Hey, it's Michael, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I wanted to answer one of the most common questions I kind of get when I'm out talking to people, and that is what's considered an accidental death for insurance purposes. So let's answer that question right now. All right, this is one of the most common questions I seem to get when I'm out, and that is what's considered an accidental death to the insurance company. And so I think I get this question a lot because in a lot of the meetings I do, I talk about adding the accidental death benefit option, which in my particular case doubles the benefit the insurance company will if you die in an accident. So people are naturally curious, hey, what's an accident? So the first thing I always say, if you die of a heart attack or cancer or some sort of illness, well, that's not going to be considered an accident by the insurance company. And so if you have like an auto accident, you're killed in an auto accident, or if you get shot and killed, well, those would be examples of accidental death that the insurance company would treat it as such. Now, the overriding factor is that if you die in an accident, it's going to list that on the death certificate. And whenever you file a claim for a life insurance policy, you got to submit a certified death certificate, and that's what the insurance company is going to look at. And so if it says right on there that you died of some sort of accidental cause, well, then they're going to treat it that way. Now, there's always potential that there could be some exclusions of the types of accidental deaths that might be covered under the policy. So you got to read policies to see what's excluded. So examples of things that might be excluded would be like if you're committing a felony and you get shot and killed while you're doing it. Maybe if you're in the military and you get killed in action, well, that might be another example of an exclusion for accidental death benefit purposes. Now, it's always possible, and I have one case where a guy told me that he thought his dad had died in an accident, and the insurance company didn't treat it that way because the death certificate said that he died of a heart attack. When after they investigated it, the circumstances surrounding his death, it turned out that he was hit by a bull that caused the heart attack, and that ended up changing the insurance company's mind, and they did treat it as an accident. And I had a couple other cases where it's been kind of hard to determine if it's an accident or not, and so they don't know what to put on the death certificate, and so sometimes it's not exactly clear. So when you file a claim for payment under a life insurance policy that includes any kind of accidental death, then they're probably going to ask for some additional information to support that claim to make sure that they are treating it the way that they should. And of course, if you don't think they are, you can always ask them to investigate it. So anyway, that's what's considered an accident for to the insurance companies for accidental death. So I hope that helps you out. If you like my videos, be sure and subscribe to them, and hit the like button and make some comments below if you got any questions. So I'll see you in the next video.